Today I don't know exactly what to do. In the last video, in the description I use on each car, give all the link to the videos. I do more than one video. In the last one, I have made lights. And now we have to concentrate on the chassis. We have a lot of work to do to modify something and to add something. All the electronics, receiver, ESC, steering servo is already in position. But before, there's something that I want to do. Here, this is the frame I have made a lot of years ago in order to have front-wheel drive. And I've seen that these screws are all scrapped because these screws came out. I would like to change and to have flat screws. I don't know if I have them. I don't want to buy nothing. So this is for sure one of the work. Comment, like and subscribe. Then something to fix. Exhaust. Find a better way for the exhaust. Then once the car works, interiors. I left this as the last work because I want that everything is in place in order to have the exact shape of the chassis to be covered with interiors. These are all the interiors I have made. They are quite functional but not so nice. I would like, I don't know if I start from this or if I do something absolutely new. This is a good help, in the matter of fact, even if it's absolutely irregular, but I can change something.
So, start from screws.
And about screws, I have this. 2 boxes with all the Tamiya screws. These are very useful. Now this is better, it's flat. And not only that, but I have activated the electronic part. Receiver, ESC and radio. I had to do something on the radio because it keeps in memory just 10 cars and it was full. But I had 2 more of this receiver that works just on this one, not with the Nobel. So I've decided the first car I had in memory was the dark input. I don't use it so much. I need to check to have a test with this one. So I have binded this receiver in the channel 1. The engine is not connected because it was on brushless. I have set it in brushed mode. These 2 wires. This I don't need. I have to decide what to do. Battery is okay. Everything is connected. Track, battery, off, on. This works. It stays like this. I have to adjust a little bit. Then connect the engine, put one here, one here. I have this wonderful tape. By now, I do this. I show you at the end. Ciao. everything is connected. Now we can try to hear the sound of the engine. It is about 30 years that it hasn't worked, and this is the very first time we hear the sound of the engine. So switch the radio, switch the car, steering, okay. Wow. Wow, it's screaming! Wow, what a noise! Okay, perhaps a little bit of grease of oil. If I put grease here, it sprays grease everywhere. So let's see what can I do. But by now I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy. It works. I've lubed the gears and the drive shaft, but the result, it's a little bit smoother, but when you go on the top speed, it is screaming. Okay, this is the sound of this car. It's quite nice. But now we have 3 works to do: mud guards, tires, and light switch. First tires, then mud guards that I mount in front. Previously I have mounted back, but this is a front wheel drive. And then I have to find a place to put this very little and nice switch. Well, I have to think it over. First of all, mount the wheels on the car. And for this, I don't want to show you everything I mounted. So, slideshow. Today work is done. Now I have to do interiors, but this will be in the next video. This is how it looks with my work finished, but the interesting is inside, and now I show you. We take out the body, and we have no clips, as I've already told you. 1 and 2. Lights are connected, and here there's a switch. You have to connect the battery. Okay. And now we operate the switch. And it works. The position of the switch is not the best, because with the body it's quite difficult to reach it. And this is the work. Battery is connected, radio is on, because there's the red light, and this is the switch. On, off, on, off. It works pretty good. I'm quite satisfied. Bye now. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Remember, click the bell so you don't miss my next video, and a lot of fun. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Ciao a tutti.